right, the Homer Rhode knot. This is a great knot for tying your flies onto your tippet. It's super easy to tie, but as the leader gets smaller, it kind of gets tough to see the holes to get it through. So I typically will tie this on my saltwater fly fishing leaders with my 15 to 20 pound test or higher. It gives the fly nice action, so it moves through the water. I like it a little more than the cray knot. It's a little bit smaller in diameter, the knot is when it's finished. So we're gonna start with the leader line, and you're actually gonna do a double overhand knot through a loop. Pretty simple. At this point, you're gonna pull it tight, and it'll form a figure 8 into the loop, like so. All right, now you're gonna get the tip of your tag in and go through your eye of the hook of your fly. And I like to follow my line. So if my line came out this way, I'm gonna go back out this way. I'm gonna pull it through, and now I'm gonna go back out this same way that the line went through in the first place. So back out this way. And you'll see that it goes in one and out the other. So it goes in one loop of the figure 8 and out the other. And I followed the direction of the actual running line and how it goes through the loop. So they both go in at the same direction. Now you can set the size of your loop. So pull your tag in to make sure your loop is about the sizes you want, and then pinch your tag in together like so. And then just pull that tight. And now your knot is seated down. It's not complete. Now you're just gonna do one half hitch, an individual half hitch above your knot. Pull it tight. So just one individual half hitch and then pull it tight. Now the knot is complete. You can trim this nice and close with your clippers or with your teeth. And that is how you do a Homer Rhode loop knot. It's a great loop knot for fly fishing. Thanks for watching.
Know how it is.